based on their body plan or canal system. You are supposed to provide a type of sponge for the following descriptions of their canal system. I'm taking that again. There are 3 types of sponges based on their body plan or canal system. You are supposed to provide a type of sponge for the following descriptions of their canal system. Now, these are the vase-like body plan with the inherent canal leading directly into the atrium. Bonus. Nobody is ready. Okay. Now, to MFANTSIPIM. Flagellated choanocyte layer has undergone folding to form finger-like projections. Inherent spores lead into radial canals before entering the atrium.
Radial sponges.
I'm sorry. To ASAMANKESE. Have no true atrium. The ostia connect to branched inherent canals, leading to numerous small chambers where the choanocytes are located.
We have a choanocyte sponge.
Come again.
A choanocyte sponge.
When I say come again, I really want you to repeat what you said. So come again with the first thing you mentioned.
So we have a choanocyte sponge.
Okay, I'm sorry. We're not. Okay. So to ADISCO, the expected answer here is asconoid sponges, and to MFANTSIPIM, psychonoid sponges, and ASAMANKESE, leuconoid sponges. Okay. Now next set, a preamble. Body cavity is one of the physical properties that is most commonly used to classify animals. Classify the following groups of animals according to their body cavity. Now to ADISCO, sponges. Okay, your hand was up.
That is one body cavity.
No, I'm sorry. Now MFANTSIPIM, nematodes.
They are coelomates.
Come again.
They are coelomates.
I'm sorry. Now to okay. Now ASAMANKESE. Platyhelminths.
We have pseudocoelomates.
I'm sorry. So actually at this level, yours is a coelomate, and nematodes we have pseudocoelomates, and that of ASAMANKESE coelomates. That's the answer. Okay, next set, also a preamble. And here each school is given an acid and its KE. You are also supposed to provide its conjugate base and respective KE. Did you get that? Each school, here I'm going to give you an acid and its KE. You are supposed to provide me with the conjugate base and their respective KE. And 30 seconds will be permitted here. So, at this level, the HF, the KE, you are given HF, and the KE is 6.8 times 10 exponent negative 4.
Okay, the conjugate base is F minus, and the pKb is giving us 1.5 times 10 exponent negative 11.
That's it. You have NH4 plus and the KNH4 plus, and the KE is 5.6 times 10 exponent negative 10. 5.6 times 10 exponent negative 10. Okay, let's see.
The conjugate base is NH3, and then the Kb is 1.8 by 10 to the power negative 5.
That's also incorrect. ASAMANKESE, you have H2CO3, and the KE is 4.3 times 10 exponent negative 7. Okay, let's see. I can see a hand up.
The conjugate base is CO3 exponent 2 minus, and the pKb and the Kb is 1.
Okay, let me save you out of your misery. Now, bonus to MFANTSIPIM.
The conjugate base is HCO3 minus, and then the Kb is 2.3 by 10 exponent negative 8.
Yeah. Please wait for the answer to the school to end giving the answer before you come. Okay. So you will not be recognized if you repeat it. Next set. What volume of a 0.10 mole of Fe2+ is required to reduce 100 ml of a 0.020 moles of Cr2O72- to Cr3+.
Okay, 120 centimeter cube.
Wow. Now to MFANTSIPIM. How many moles of HSO3- is required to reduce 0.20 mole of KMnO4? Are you ready? Okay, so it's available for a bonus. Your time is already spent. So, ASAMANKESE, how many moles of HNO3 are required to oxidize 0.12 mole of copper? Okay. Your hand is up. So proceed.
So we have 0.36 mole.
I'm sorry. So bonus. ASAMANKESE, you were close, but still too far. The answer is actually 0.32 moles. Okay. So the next set, here I have a long preamble, so you pay attention. Yeah, okay, your answer. By the way, what answer were you actually going to do? Okay. Your answer was actually supposed to be 0.50. 0.50. Okay. So next set, and we have a preamble. A cheetah is crouched 20 meters to the east of an observer. At time t equals 0 seconds, the cheetah begins to run due east toward an antelope that is 50 meters to the east of the observer. During the first 2.0 seconds of the attack, the cheetah's coordinate x varies with time according to the equation. X is equal to 20 meters plus 15 meters per second squared. And that 15 meters per second squared is multiplying t squared, which is outside that parenthesis. I want to repeat that, the preamble again. A cheetah is crouched 20 meters to the east of an observer. At time t equals 0 seconds, the cheetah begins to run due east toward an antelope that is 50 meters to the east of the observer. During the first 2.0 seconds of the attack, the cheetah's coordinate x varies with time according to the equation x equals 20 meters plus 15 meters per second squared, and that 15 meters per second squared is multiplying t squared. Okay. Now, at this angle, find the cheetah's displacement between time 1 is equal to 1.0 seconds and time 2.0 seconds. Sorry. Okay, so MFANTSIPIM.
45 meters due east.
I'm sorry. Okay. So I'll come back to the answers. MFANTSIPIM. Find its average velocity during that interval. Yes, let's do it.
50 meters per second.
No. So please repeat that. Mention everything.
50 meters per second due east.
No. So, okay. I thought you came if you wanted to come for the bonus. Okay, let's hear you.
30 meters per second due east.
No, I'm sorry. Okay, now ASAMANKESE, find its instantaneous velocity at t 1.0 second by taking delta t to be equal to 0.1 second. Then 0.01 seconds. Then 0.001 second. Yes, I think it's your honor. Okay, let's do it.
So
Okay.
we have our answer to 3.3 meters per second.
No. So at this level, okay, so a bonus. So at this level, your answer should be 15 meters. 15 meters. And MFANTSIPIM, 15 meters per second. And that of ASAMANKESE, 10 meters per second. Okay, next set. An ideal gas is at 27 degrees Celsius. An ideal gas is at 27 degrees Celsius. Now, that's the preamble. Now to ADISCO, what is the average translational kinetic energy of the ideal gas? Okay, let's see.
6.21 times 10 exponent negative 21 joules.
Perfection. What is the total random translational kinetic energy of the molecules in 1 mole of this gas? Okay, let's hear you. Okay.
This is 3.75 kilojoule.
I'm sorry. So bonus
3.74 kilojoules.
3.74
kilojoules.
Yes, that. I really want the game to be fair. So once you are ready to answer, I will not wait more than 5 seconds. So you must stop. So once you read it, you need to recap. Now to ASAMANKESE. What is the root mean square? What is the root mean square speed of oxygen molecule at this temperature? Your answer should really be 484 meters per second. So we enter into a new realm. But I think the rule that I just set out is fair. And clearly, after you pass in, you delete. So that was why I even came in to say, once you pass in, I wouldn't wait for more than 5 seconds. Because we don't want to wait here forever. It was a major question. There wasn't any need to really read it. Okay. Okay, so next set. the quantity charge, capital Q in coulombs, capital C, that has passed through a point in a wire up to time t, measured in seconds, is given by capital Q of t. That means put the t in parentheses, is equal to t cubed minus 2t squared plus 6t plus 2. And you are supposed to find the current when a given time is actually stated here. Now let me give the expression again. Q of t is equal to t cubed minus 2t squared plus 6t plus 2. And you are to find the current when at this saddle t equals 0.500 seconds. Okay, let's say
3.25 amperes.
I'm sorry. Okay. MFANTSIPIM at time 1.00 second.
amperes.
Okay. Now this are the
5.00 amperes.
Come again.
5.00 amperes.
So that's right. Now, ASAMANKESE, at what time is the current the lowest? Let's hear you. Your answer, ASAMANKESE.
We have 2.00 seconds and 0.00 seconds.
No, it's a no. So bonus. Okay. So you should have 0.667 seconds. And I think you missed your first question. The right answer there was actually 7.25 coulombs per second. Okay, so we get into the last set for round one. And here we'll be giving some rational functions to differentiate. Simple as that. At this level, your function is y is equal to an expression with a numerator 2x minus 3 and a denominator x plus 1.
So dy dx is equal to a fraction. So this fraction has a numerator of 5 and a denominator of into 1 bracket x plus 1 all squared.
x minus 1. Okay, let's see. Y is equal to x on the expression x plus 3. Yes, let's see.
We have the y, the x to be equal to the fraction with numerator 3, and then denominator bracket will be x plus 3, that bracket all square.
Okay, that's correct. So with that, we end the first round. So right away, Adisade will want to effect a substitution. So Roxy at the party. Mr. Adra. MFANTSIPIM 6. ADISCO 4. The moment you buzz in, I expect an immediate answer. So don't blame me if I actually put you out of the context for a question if you delay. It's known as tear gas. MFANTSIPIM. Okay. So that's the -1 from MFANTSIPIM. We really want to be fair, and he's going to assist me with the 5 seconds period. So the moment you pass in, if you fail to talk for more than 5 seconds, you will be out. He will signal, so it's going to be a fair game. Second question. A buffer is prepared by adding 50.0 square centimeters of 0.100 mole per dm³ KOH solution to 150 square centimeters of 0.100 mole per dm³ ethanoic acid. Calculate the pH of the resulting buffer. The pKa of ethanoic acid is 4.76. You may give your answer as a logarithmic expression. The answer is actually 4.76 plus log of 0.500 or 4.76 minus log of 2.00. Yeah, that's yes, I think okay, and that of the tear gas, the compound name is benzenyl chloride. Benzenyl, B-E-N-Z-E-N-Y. Okay. Next, what is the chemical name of mothball? M-O-T-H-B-A-L-L, mothball. Right, it's actually the naphthalene. Next, how many bones are there in the human foot? Okay. Let's hear you at this adult.
40.
It's a no. It's actually, okay, the human foot has 26 bones. Next, who was the first to prepare smallpox vaccine? Precise. What is the part of the brain that controls motor function? Okay, let's see.
The cerebellum.
I'm not going to accept that. Okay. I'm sorry. So unless otherwise indicated, what I really have here is cerebellum cortex. And because it's really, I want to be precise. Yeah. If you don't have the cortex, I don't think it's what is electrodynamics? So it's actually the branch of mechanics dealing with electricity-induced motion. Next, what is the limit of for human beings. Okay, let's say you are this other
20 hertz to 20 kilohertz.
Yes. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I can't take that.
20 kilohertz.
No. Okay, unless otherwise indicated. What I do have here is from 20 hertz, as you said, to 200,000 hertz. But 200,000 hertz is not the same as 20 kilohertz. That's what I mean. So that's why I said. So, okay, next. A concave mirror forms an image on a wall 3.00 meters in front of the mirror of a headlamp filament, which is 10.0 centimeters in front of the mirror. What are the radius of curvature and focal length of the mirror? That the radius of curvature is actually 19.4 centimeters and the focal length is 9.7 centimeters. Next, solve for x given 125 raised to the expression x plus 1 is equal to 1 on 25. Okay, MFANTSIPIM.
X is equal to -1.
I'm sorry. ADISCO.
X equals to -5.3.
Yes, that's right. Equal to I plus 3G and B equal 3XI plus 3G are perpendicular. Yes, let's do it.
Now say +5.
No.
3 or 2.
It's a no 2. Okay. Is moving with displacement function s of t equal 4t cubed plus 7, where t is the time in seconds and the displacement s of t is in meters. Find the average velocity in the first 2 seconds. Okay, and this other
16 meters per second.
precise. are tied. You have 2 apiece. And that of ADISCO, you multiply it by 11, so you have 2. We begin the 3rd round. True or false. Here, for questions that do not require calculations, you have 10 seconds. Actually, you have 10 seconds throughout for the true or false type statement. It's actually 10 seconds throughout. So, this time around, I want to begin from ASAMANKESE and move the other way. I will start. Okay, so we maintain the sequence. So I still begin from ADISCO. The common name for potassium nitrite is saltpeter.
It's false.
Yes. Okay. MFANTSIPIM. The chemical name for dynamite is glyceryl tetranitrate. Go ahead. True. I'm sorry. ASAMANKESE. Sour volatile is the common name for ammonium carbonate. True. Yes, that's true. There is a difference between the pressure exerted by a gas and the pressure exerted by the weight of a mass resting on a surface. Issue. Yes, that's true. A plot of pressure versus the reciprocal of the temperature at constant volume will give a straight line. True. I'm sorry. ASAMANKESE. Avogadro's law suggests equal volumes of helium gas and hydrogen gas at the same temperature and pressure contained. Let me take that again. Avogadro's law suggests equal volumes of helium gas and hydrogen gas at the same temperature and pressure contains the same number of atoms. False. Yes. The SI unit of sound intensity is Bell, named after the scientist Alexander Graham. It's true. I'm sorry. Hence, the SI unit of frequency is associated with Henry Rudolph Hertz, the scientist who invented radio waves. Yes, it's actually a false statement. Enrico Fermi made and activated the first nuclear reactor.
It's a true statement.
Yes, it is. The gravitational field strength on the surface of a spherical body is proportional to the radius of the body?
It's false.
Yes, it is. The gravitational field strength on the surface of a uniform spherical body is proportional to the mass of the body.
False.
No. ASAMANKESE. The gravitational field strength on the surface of a uniform spherical body is proportional to the inverse square of the radius of the body.
True.
Yes. Angiosperms have dominated land plants chiefly because of their nature of self-fertilization.
False.
Yes, it is. Angiosperms have dominated land plants chiefly because of their ability to produce a large number of seeds.
False.
Yes, it is false. Angiosperms have dominated land plants chiefly because of their ability to adapt to diverse habitats.
True.
Yes, it is. Basal metabolic rate in mammals is controlled by the liver.
It's false.
Yes, it is. Basal metabolic rate in mammals is controlled by the heart.
False.
Yes. Basal metabolic rate in mammals is controlled by the parathyroid. Yes.
True.
It's a no. It's actually false. Next, at this item, the graph of the equation x squared plus y squared equals 16 is symmetric with respect to, it's actually a preamble. The graph of the equation x squared plus y squared equals 16 is symmetric with respect to the following descriptions. So at this item, the x-axis is true. Yes, it is. In front of it, the y-axis.
False.
I'm sorry. ASAMANKESE. The origin.
False.
No, it's also a I decided if the binary number A, B, C subscript 2 or with base 2 is equal to 5, then A equal 1, B equal 1, and C equal 0. is equal to 4. Then A equals 1, B equals 0, and C equals 0. Yes, it is. If the binary number A, B, C is equal to 7, then A equals 1, B equals 1, and C equals 1. Yes.
False.
I'm sorry. So with that, we end the third round. So he's trying to argue the base was not given. But if we read the number to you and you are told it's a binary, I think it also suggests it is in base 2. So base 2 is also known as the binary. I understand it. So it's a learning process. So let's collect the scores from our scores to see if they match up. So at the end of the third round, MFANTSIPIM, you have completed 6, and then ASAMANKESE 9. Decided still the show with 35. We want to get to riddles, so you pay close attention and listen to the clues. If you are able to answer, then you will sit out for that particular riddle. So let's test the bells if they are really ready. Okay, MFANTSIPIM. Okay, ASAMANKESE. Great. Now let's begin. First question. I am an organic covalent compound. I am a colorless liquid with pentaatomic molecule. My central atom is derived from element which in its pure state possesses metallic bond. My other atoms are derived from an element in group 7 or 17. I am tetrahedral in shape. My central atom is the 4th element in group 4, while my other atoms are the 2nd element in group 7 or 17. So who am I? Okay, these are the
SiCl4.
No, I'm sorry. Let's hold on, but let's get to the other schools. Okay. No, I think MFANTSIPIM, but I came first, so let's get
Silicon tetrahedral.
I'm sorry. ASAMANKESE.
We have FLCl4.
I'm sorry. Please repeat.
SiCl4.
SiCl. So it's actually tin 4 chloride. Sorry. Tin 4 chloride. Now next. Farmers have long recognized me as a possible means to restore or to maintain a productive soil. I help in reducing soil erosion and increase soil fertility and crop yield. I am done so that the soil of farms is not used for only one set of nutrients. I contribute to increased yield through improved soil nutrition. I am in the practice of growing a series of precise. Next, I am associated with an electromagnetic phenomenon. I am important enough to be a separate law of nature, and I am named for a physicist of old. Wherever you find changing magnetic fields, there you can find me. I describe the direction.
Learn slow.
Precise. The last one, and let's see if you nail it once more. I am a 3-digit even number. I am an area code that was created in a split of area code 809 or 809, which was the original area code for most of the Caribbean. I have exactly 8 factors. My digits are a sequence of even numbers. If my second digit is twice the first, okay, now to